Hi guys, so let's get started with what you need. You need this scissors. And you're obviously gonna need 2 jackets. So jean jacket and another jacket. I don't care what's on there. It's all cool. So let's get to what you do. Step 1, people. Gonna chop up inside out so you can see the seam. So there we go. So I don't wear both of those anymore. So that's what's nice about this is that.
Well, I thought you could see the seam, but I guess not.
It's a little better. It's just it makes it harder because it's 2 materials. Yeah. But what I'm gonna do is I am gonna cut a little away from the seam, so I can still fold it onto the other one, and you won't see it or anything like that, and it won't be too short or something like weird. But remember when I said good scissors? There are no good scissors in my house. So we're just these are the best scissors that are out of the ones I have at the moment. So let's see if they can do it. It worked perfectly fine. These scissors are great. Good job, scissors. Round of applause for the scissors. So a nice solid half an inch maybe, kind of away from the seam, because
3/4.
it's hard to see. See how close that was there? So hence why I cut so far away. Uno sleevo. See, you can also make this into a vest if you really wanted to, but I don't want to. Okay, I did it. I cut them both out, and I did cut a little farther away just because of what happened there. So it worked. So there we go. We got 2 sleeves, and then I'm gonna put my head in. Bam. And I'm thinking about taking this collar off and then putting this fuzzy collar on, which I think would be cute. I have to think about it. See how this goes. So it's ready to sew on. So before you want to see your beautiful cutting job and you want to turn these inside out, not quite yet. That's what I did. But no, we're not going to do that. So we're going to put these over there. And we're going to turn this inside out. Whoop.
That was easy.
That was magical, wasn't it? Because it was so oh. There we go, like that. No, not like that. Hold on. Okay, see, like this. It's crooked. Not crooked, it's... There. Okay.
Do you have pins?
Okay, so remember when I said don't flip it inside out? So I just... There. Okay, I lied. There. So as you can see, I did one because I didn't really know what I was doing. So now I know what I'm doing. See, and so as you can see, it's popping up there a little bit, which isn't super unplanned, but since there's just so many things in this jacket. Anyway, yeah. Sorry. I had to pleat it at the top so it would fit because this was a little too big for the armhole, which is completely fine. So it gives it a nice ooh. So that worked out. So that's what we're gonna do here. But first we're gonna turn this. Wait. Did I need it? Hold on. Wait, no. No. It's cool. Everything's. I was just. Don't know how to put this thing inside her. Okay. There we go. It got complicated with this. Okay. There we go. There we go. Now you're gonna take your other sleeve, or your first sleeve technically, because anyway, you're gonna slip that right in there like this, and then you're gonna start pinning. And it's not easy, okay? It is not easy to pin. At least it might be easier because you can use a sweatshirt for this, for the sleeves, which will definitely be a heck of a lot easier than this fluff because it's really hard to work with it. There it is. So you want to find that seam, right? The bottom seam of your sleeve, the bottom seam of your sleeve. You're gonna want to line it up. So you got this thing, so you can't pin through that. So you're just gonna pin on both sides here, which, like I said, is not easy. So the first mistake I made was I pinned it this way, which made it unbelievably harder. So you want to pin it the other way, up and down. It doesn't really matter, like if the pin head's over here or not. So, oh no. I lost it again. Where'd it go? There! Oh, never mind, I didn't lose it. I'm just gonna... Ah! Ouch! Don't hurt yourself, Hannah. No, too late. And you're just gonna slip it in, and then... Doink. And it doesn't... You don't have to, like, get it super close together. It's gonna be really, like... wide, if you know what I'm saying. When you go in, it's not going to be like, it's going to be way over here just because it's so thick. Okay, so remember when we need to pleat the top, like that, you know what I'm saying? Pleat it. So don't go all the way to the top. So this is the top, right? No, that's
the back.
Never mind. So you know what I'm saying, but the top. So you want to pin. So you want to pin like halfway and leave a good space to pleat that. So once you get to that, I keep stabbing myself. Once you get to that point, you want to go back to the bottom and pin there. So you just want to leave an open part at the top, so you can pleat that. So, and also, guys, don't forget that about this seam right here. You don't want that to be seen. So you want to really make sure you're following that, since we cut a good ways from it, that we want to follow that, as I just said. So, you know what I'm saying? Line it up. There's the thingy. There's the seam. Pin. So, keep it going. And then you're gonna obviously need 2 chaquetas, aka jacket.
Not jaquetas.
Chaqueta. It's not a J. It's a H.
It's a
ch.
It's a CH.
It's a he. No, it's not. It's a J.
It's a ch.
Let's try that.